The Norwegian Sky is newly refurbished with even more on board. In this video, I'll tell you about the delicious food. We'll dive into some of the awesome bars. I'll suggest some of the activities you won't want to miss. And I'll give you some Norwegian Sky tips that'll help you enjoy your cruise even more. I'll also tell you how you can get a Norwegian Sky ship guide digital download. Let's start by talking about the food, starting with the amazing steakhouse, Cagney's. Cagney's Steakhouse is a great place to go and have amazing service, a delicious steak like their awesome ribeye, or if that's not your thing, maybe veal or seafood. A lot of great options at Cagney's Steakhouse. There's also Pinnacle Sushi Bar. Sushi rolls made to order by the sushi chef. Delicious spot to enjoy delicious Japanese food. If you prefer Italian, go to La Cucina. La Cucina is Norwegian's delicious Italian specialty restaurant with delicious pasta, classic options like ossobuco, lamb, all kinds of great options at the full-service specialty dining Italian restaurant La Cucina. There's also the main dining room and the buffet included in the price of your fare, or the Great Outdoors, an included alternative to the Garden Cafe buffet. Enjoy your meals outside at the Great Outdoors. There's also the local grill, another included option where you can have a sit-down breakfast, delicious lunch, dinner, or a snack at this Irish pub themed bar and grill. If you enjoy this sort of information, give us a like by hitting the thumbs up icon down below. We would really appreciate it. Now let's talk about the bars, starting with the Spinnaker Lounge. By day, a great relaxing lounge to sit and enjoy amazing views of the ocean around you. At night, it turns into an energized club with music, a dance floor, but anytime you can get great drinks when you hang out at the Spinnaker Lounge. The Bliss Ultra Lounge is another energetic spot, a great night spot to go and hang out and enjoy the energetic vibe of the Bliss Ultra Lounge. There's also the Sugarcane Mojito Bar where you can go and grab a mojito. The Pinnacle Lounge has great Japanese beer and sake. The local bar is a great spot to go and get beers at an Irish pub. You can get beers and cocktails, and as I mentioned before, there's no charge for the food. One more bar option is Champ's Bar. Champ's Bar is a great outdoor option to go and have refreshing drinks outside at a bar overlooking the pool. Now let's talk about some of the activities on board. Starting with Splash Academy for the kids, they can go enjoy the activities they want to do. Or the Video Arcade, great for kids or kids at heart. You can take on aliens or try to win a souvenir. Norwegian Sky also has great stage shows, Broadway-style shows with music and dancing, great entertainment at the stage shows. Go to Mandra Spa to really get pampered. Get a massage or a facial, manicure, a lot of great options at Mandra Spa. There's also the casino, where you can take your chance on Lady Luck. Whether you play slots or table games, you'll find your game, and hopefully you'll come home a winner at the casino. And now how about a couple tips? Starting with the Cruise Norwegian app. Be sure to download the Cruise Norwegian app before your cruise. It's a great way to plan your daily activities and monitor your onboard spending account. Another tip, don't miss your morning coffee. Head to Starbucks. That's right, Norwegian Sky has a full-service Starbucks. It was added as part of the 2019 refurbishment. You can go there, get your drink, your latte, your mocha, whatever it is you enjoy from Starbucks, right on board the Norwegian Sky. One last tip, be sure to get your Norwegian Sky ship guide digital download. It tells you what's on board, where to find things, what costs extra, and we're including a bar crawl for the Norwegian Sky you can use to discover all the different bars on board. Print it out, share it with your friends, make the bars an adventure. You can get your Norwegian Sky ship guide in the link down below. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe. Doesn't cost anything, it's just a way to follow us so you don't miss our future videos or our live show where we have special guests with interviews, cruise tips, a lot of great cruise information and reviews. You'll want to check that out. Subscribe with the notification bell on so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.